Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Robert Roy from WealthBuildersHQ.com. Welcome to another 2-Minute Tuesday. Today I want to talk about an indicator series that are used in combination of two separate indicators but really only work well if they're used together, and that is the ADX and the DMI plus and minus. So let's shift our attention over to the chart. Let's say we go to Apple. There we go. And I'm really going to bring it in. You can see Apple has had a really nice run. Down here in the middle section is the ADX and the DMI plus and minus. What is that telling us? What does that mean? The ADX is the average directional exchange. All ADX tells us is, do we have enough momentum to trade directionally? It doesn't tell me whether we should trade bullish. It doesn't tell me we should trade bearish. It just says, yes, there's enough momentum to take a directional trade. And the way that it works, the standard is you want the ADX to be above 20. For me, my standard is above 25. I want to see a minimum of 25 on my ADX, and that is that black line right there is 25. My blue line here is the ADX, and you could see we're at 45 and jingle. Back here, it's kind of hidden under that green box there. That's ADX. The DMI plus and minus is, should we trade bullish or bearish? That's all that tells us. The one that's higher is the one we want to focus on. Well, green is up higher than the red. So that's telling us there's enough momentum, ADX, to take a directional trade, bullish, green line, is also above that 25. So ADX above 25, DMI plus, green line above 25, that says there's enough momentum, take a directional trade to the upside. That doesn't mean today is the day, because it's not. It just says there's enough momentum to take a bullish trade. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Take care, and I will see all of you at our next update. See you then. Bye. Folks, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed the training. If you did, please be sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and go ahead and click the subscribe button to follow along with all of our great content. And be sure to ring the bell and keep up with our latest training videos. And click down below to see some of our greatest trading videos that we've got available just for you.